Good morning guys, and welcome back to sunny England. I am back here now. It's the middle of lockdown, or what we all hope is the middle, but who knows. It's been about a month and I'm still back here in the UK. Now, I want to kind of introduce you to something new in this video, because as you may well know, I've been traveling the world continuously for the last 5 years. Or I guess, should I now say, I traveled the world? Do I have to add a little asterisk in there? Traveling continuously for 5 years, except for that time where the whole world went into lockdown. Anyway, back on track. As part of that, I have gained a very particular set of skills. I will find you and I will vlog you. And what I mean is I've learned how to make money online in order to fund my travels. And that's mainly been through creating videos, both on YouTube and on other places, and the different ways that work to make passive income online. While I've tried to show some of this on this channel before, and I've tried to be very honest and upfront about the ways I've been making money so other people can learn from it as well, I don't want to make this channel about that, but I do really enjoy sharing those lessons, and I do enjoy learning new ways of making money online as well. And I enjoy the idea of passive income and the idea of gaining financial freedom through doing work at one point that will then give you an income for a long time afterwards. The reason I'm making this now though is because I don't want this channel to be purely about that, but I do want to have a place where I can share all of those lessons and where I can really get into the finer details of it and give as much value and as much information as I can about how I'm making money online and the different ways that you can make money online, and also the different ways that you can make your money work for you in the longer term. And this is something that I am passionate about. It's something I've learned about over the last few years, and now I want to share it with you as well. So with that in mind, I have instead created a new YouTube channel, and I'm going to link it below. I'm going to be uploading there fairly regularly. I'm not trying to sell you anything. There's no course here. There's nothing to buy at the end of it, but I'm just letting you know that I'm creating this new channel. And if you do want to learn different ways of making money online, if you want to learn how I'm able to travel the way I have and how I plan to continue doing that in the future once we are able to, and once international travel ramps up again.
This too shall pass.
And when that does happen, if you want to be in the best position possible to make money online through videos, through content creation and various other ways, then I'm going to be putting a lot of tips onto this new channel about how you can do that. I'm kicking off with a live Q&A on that channel, which will be on Saturday. So if you want to come and check it out, then come and check it out. And I'll be answering any questions you have. So pop any questions you want me to answer in the comments on this video below, and then also come across to that live Q&A and I'll be answering them live as well. There will also be a live prize that I am giving away, and I won't spoil the details now, but you have to check the live Q&A to get that prize, and I'll be giving it away live during the video. Again, not selling anything. There's not going to be anything to buy. It's not like one of those webinars where at the end they say all you have to do is pay $500 and I'll give you the rest of the tips. I am not doing that. It's just a live Q&A call to get that channel started. So hopefully I will see you there. As always, thank you for watching, and stay safe and healthy and all of that. See you soon.